Hi everybody, JoPaddy here. And tonight I'm just making a set of coasters in 4 different looks. And I realized that I have the TV on and stuff like that, so I'm gonna just probably play music through this and you guys can watch my little process. I make these little coasters like this because I sell them while I'm out on my food cart for $5 a piece. I know they're worth a little bit more than that, but the world today isn't such a great place and just kind of want to make a little money and also want to help people out, so I'll be alright. Ooh, there's the purple one. I always like the other side for some reason. That's pretty. So, so pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. There's that one. This one was with the firefly. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? back side. In the front. So pretty, so pretty. I love that white. Had a really good effect. One more. There's the back. So pretty. There's the front. I like the way that looks right there. You can see that. It's kind of neat looking. All right, everybody, that's what I've been up to lately. Arrivederci, everyone. See you again soon. Back in the studio.